Today we have a video from Bodycam Tube, and the title of the video is "She Thought Police Didn't Realize It, But It Was Obvious." Let's figure out what it is.
On April 26th, 2026, officers were dispatched in response to reports of a motor vehicle collision.
RV van type. You got your driver's license?
Yeah, of course.
Can you get it?
Yeah.
And I need the registration. I need the registration and the insurance for the vehicle.
Of course. Yeah.
As well.
Yeah.
Can you get it?
Can I try to get it into this spot here?
What's that?
Can I try to get the vehicle in this spot?
Yeah.
Okay. I mean, can you help me? I don't know how this happened. I was literally just.
Okay, we're gonna figure that out.
And my trailer should be back here. I have a shave skirt.
Okay.
Okay.
Let me just get your driver's license, registration, and insurance for the vehicle.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Huh?
I heard it sounded like a crash.
Yeah. Let me see if there's a.
I was in the chapel praying.
Okay.
And I heard the bang.
I appreciate it.
I thought she was hit.
Yeah, I don't think she hit anything. Come back to a red Cadillac XT4.
So how did you get here? When you left Mallory Square, did you come down Simonton, Whitehead?
I'm sorry. What's the name of the street?
All right. Do you have a driver's license?
Yes, sir.
You got your driver's license?
Yeah, I just moved everything around.
All right. Do you have the registration for the vehicle?
Yes, of course.
Where is it?
Do you have your driver's license? And she handed him a passport.
I need it.
I'm only asking because I saw the sticker. You have any guns in the car?
No.
All right.
I'm sorry, guys. I'm just used to going home after this.
All right. So when you pulled out of Mallory Square, what road did you take to get here?
Truman.
Well, this is Truman. Did you either went down Whitehead, Duval, or Simonton?
It's just the insurance. That's the insurance. Where's the registration?
Can you do me a favor?
Yeah. Hi, how are you? I'm Officer Andrade. I just was in the neighborhood. Came to see if I can help.
I'm sorry, this is happening. I'm not really sure what happened. I was just driving in my van.
Yeah? You were just, so you were just driving and what?
I guess my car decided to fall apart.
It fell apart? What do you mean?
No, like I was fine. I don't really understand because I have a tow vehicle behind it. And I guess it disassociated itself.
So you were towing something?
Yeah, on my shave ice cart that I do at Mallory Square every day.
You know it's not there right now, right?
Yeah, clearly. So I'm very concerned where it is. Yeah.
Okay.
Sorry.
It's wild.
Yeah, me too.
There's some pretty extensive damage.
I've been having some front lobe damage happening recently, so my husband's gonna kill me. I know that. Hey guys.
Hey, so
I'm Joe.
What's that?
Joe.
Joe?
Joe.
Nice to meet you, Joe.
I'm sorry, it's under the circumstance. Yeah. No, it's not really.
He has all your documents, the other officer, everything he needs? You gave him your driver's license and whatnot? So you didn't give him your driver's license?
No.
Okay. Yeah, he's gonna need that. Where's your driver's license?
In my purse.
So go ahead and grab it.
Sorry, I'm just like decomposing the fact that this even happened. So
Decomposing?
my toy.
Oh shit.
So we got other units are looking for it.
Okay, because I have my toy chains on the vehicle.
Yeah, you had it hitched and chained, right?
The hitch and chain, yeah.
Yeah. And you just left Mallory Square, like?
I did.
Yeah.
I stayed there for a while tonight because I was trying to get an extra charge on my battery that I have attached. Yeah. I don't like the way you guys are looking at the situation.
Looking at what? I was just watching the traffic over there.
I know, but I'm just...
Okay, so here's the driver exchange information.
Yes, sir.
All right, we don't have the driver's information, but we have the vehicle information. So as far as the traffic accident is concerned, everything's going to be taken care of. Do you have any questions for me?
No, for you.
Okay, all right.
Yeah, but let's get into the drinking, because she's under the influence of some shit.
All right, you're going to talk to this officer now.
So you done with your traffic investigation?
Yes.
All right.
Did you find the trailer?
We have my sergeant is driving around to find it. All right.
Okay.
Okay, Amy Jo. So listen,
Yes, sir.
again, my name is Officer Andrade. All right, I'm with the Key West Police too. So as Officer Ua said, he's concluded his traffic investigation. So now I'm going to start another investigation. Okay? I'm going to start a DUI investigation. Okay. So have you had anything to drink tonight?
No.
You haven't had anything?
No.
Really? Like zero alcohol?
No.
Have you had any substances?
No.
You haven't had any substances?
No.
So let me tell you why I'm asking this, okay? You seem very slow to react to things in your speech. You're swaying when you're standing. Your eyes are glassy. You introduced yourself to me twice. So it's almost like you forgot who I was and then introduced yourself again. Would you be willing to participate in field sobriety exercises to dispel my belief that you are under either the influence of alcohol or drugs to the point where it's inhibited your normal faculties?
No, sir.
No what?
No, sir.
No what? You don't want to participate?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So I have to inform you, if you don't participate, if you choose not to participate, it's your choice. It is a choice. That fact could be used against you in any court proceedings, if there were to be such court proceedings.
Okay.
Okay, so it could be used against you in a court of law. Do you still refuse to participate in field sobriety exercises to dispel my belief?
I do.
Okay. Do you know what that? Do you know what that means?
Yes,
And I'm trying to insult your intelligence, but basically, what I'm asking you is, do you want to perform some exercises to show me, like, hey, look, I'm not under the influence of anything. Like, my faculties are fine.
Yeah, my faculties are fine, and I would like to ask you if your faculties are fine.
Yeah,
Okay.
they are. So,
What would you prefer, sir?
well, I would like for you to perform the field sobriety exercises so that if your faculties are indeed fine, I will see that.
I believe my faculties are fine, but I have had a very long day where I have performed my abilities of my business since 6:30 this morning.
You say you're willing to participate in the exercises?
Yes, sir.
Okay, wonderful. Then we're going to do what's called a walk and turn, and then we're going to do a one-legged stand. And I'm going to...
Yo, these cops be so slick when it comes to this stuff, man. Like, she said no, but the way he words it and gets her to do it is, I mean, it's his job, you know? It's his job, but damn, man. Don't do this shit. Because then the way he says it, he said, well, you do know if you don't do it, it could be used against you in the court of... It's going to be used against you in the court of law regardless, whether you do it or don't do it. Whether you do it or don't do it. She was on the right track when she said no. We know she's drunk. We know she's under something. But look, doing that test is just gonna... You're cooked, man. You're just building their case. That's all you doing.
Explain each one.
So you're going to do that on this elevated property?
On the elevated property?
Yeah.
What do you mean?
Because we have an elevated...
What's elevated?
The road is elevated to emphasize us draining into...
So the what? The road is elevated how?
It's elevated to drain any type of rain into
Okay, you're saying the pitch. Right.
the pitch.
Okay, so, well, no, we're not going to do it in the road. We're going to do it in the sidewalk over here.
Okay.
You want to hold this? Is there any reason why you're not answering me?
Yeah, because I'm totally dissociated from the fact that my vehicle is being towed right now.
Yeah, it's being towed because you clearly can't drive it. Tire's broken off its axle there. Is there any reason why you're not answering me? Like, you said
No,
you wanted to
I'm just-
participate, so
Yes, sir.
if you don't want to participate, like, that's fine too, okay?
No, I'm sorry.
I mean, it's a very simple question. You either have physical defects or you don't, and you'd be the best one to answer that question. You do have physical defects?
I do. I have
What-
pelvic floor disorder.
What's that?
Pelvic floor disorder.
Pelvic floor disorder.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Does it prevent you from walking normally?
Yes.
It does?
It does.
How so?
Because my pelvic floor, this part of my body, is disassociated from my body.
Okay. But you can still walk unassisted?
Technically, no.
Okay. Do you have a cane or something like that you use?
No.
Okay. So then you can walk unassisted?
As far as it goes, diagnostically, no.
Yes.
I do not.
No, but I'm saying you currently, right now, like today, you weren't using a cane, you were walking around unassisted. Is that a true statement?
That's a true statement as far
All right.
as it goes.
Okay. We're gonna skip the nystagmus, okay? So we're not gonna do that. But what we're gonna do is we're gonna do the walk and turn.
You know what? I deny.
What's that?
I deny.
You deny what?
I deny doing this demonstration.
So you don't want to do the field sobriety exercises? Is that what you're saying?
Yeah.
Okay. So I need you to turn around and put your hands behind your back. You are under arrest for this. Don't move. Don't move. Just stay right where you're at.
I'll do it.
No, you're not doing anything. You're staying just like this.
I will do the heel before.
So you want to now participate?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Well, you're telling me you don't want to. I'm not here to play games.
Oh, I know. I have not been drinking.
I'll tell you what. I'm gonna let you finish your mouth. Stop. I gotta take this off. Just because I want to give you every opportunity to dispel my belief.
See, because the way they do it, it's like I said, it's his job, and I agree, but the way that it's always worded is like, you have a chance of like, if you dispel my beliefs, I'm gonna let you go. You're going to jail regardless. Like, it's over. Maybe 0.02% it won't happen to. You'll get let go, but you're going to jail. Their mind is already made up, man.
So are you ready to continue? Okay, and you may begin when you're ready. Okay.
May I try again?
No, it's not necessary. No, it's not necessary. Come back, Amy Jo. Just hang tight right there.
You make this?
Amy jail?
Can I do a yoga pose?
No.
No?
Okay. You can stop. You can stop.
Ready?
No, we're done. You can stop. You can stop. You don't have to do a yoga pose. Okay. It's okay.
Sir.
So, listen. You have not dispelled my belief that you are under the influence of either drugs or chemical substance that have
going to jail
your
anyway.
normal faculties. So because of that, I'm placing you under arrest for suspicion of DUI. Okay? So please turn your hands, put them around your back.
Dummy.
I promise you, I haven't been drinking. I know.
Okay, look, I can smell alcohol coming from your breath. Okay? Amy Jo, I need you to sit in the vehicle, please. Okay, look, listen.
Let me go home.
Come
I can't do
on.
that. Okay.
No, you gotta go see Big Bertha. What's going on? Don't cry now. You wasn't crying when you decided to get behind the wheel after a few drinks, a few shots. You gotta go down to the county and see Big Bertha. She waiting on you, man. It look like you never been in trouble a day in your life. Sweet, precious. Yeah. She waiting on you.
You seem like a very nice young lady. Okay? But you just made a bad decision. Okay?
No,
So
I
need you to have a seat, please. So if you don't get in there, I'm gonna have to physically put you. No. Let's not lean on me. I'm gonna have to physically put you in there, and I don't want to do that. Thank you. What's happening? What are you doing? Okay. There we go. Oh, careful. Sit up. Sit up. Okay, just lean your body weight to your right. Lean your body weight to your right.
No.
Talk about now, Nikki. 2 feet of left.
Child lock is on. You ain't getting
Amy
it.
Jo, are you thrashing around here? Oh no, Amy Jo. Amy Jo.
Listen.
Calm 1, Pulse everyone. Signal 14. She slipped her cuffs.
You,
I need you to step out.
I need you to.
I need you to step out. Amy Jo, turn around.
No, no.
Turn around. Don't resist me. Don't resist me, Amy Jo. You do that again, or try to do, or like make somehow pass your legs through to where your hands are in front of your body. All right. I'm gonna charge you for it. Okay. Don't do it.
Damn, Amy Jo.
She was charged with DUI. The case remains pending.
Damn. Come on, Amy Jo. You messing up. She thought she must have been Bonnie from Bonnie and Clyde and shit. She trying to she got up out of there. She got up try to get out that door. Oh yeah. Nah, the child lock is on. Child safety proof. Yeah. Where you going? You ain't going nowhere. No, you ain't going nowhere. You going to jail. You gonna come on down to the station. Yeah. She thought she got away, but she thought she was gonna get away, I should say. Oh, that's not happening. Gotta get you together.